Alright mga ka-champion, so again, paldo-paldo na naman po tayo dito sa ating Europound day trade update. And this is me showing you my actual screen recording when I was analyzing and executing itong particular currency pair na ito. Okay? So again, I have used limit order and I already have executed doon sa aking MT5 account. So for me, I have put some comments here para makita nyo, and I am frequently changing time frames para makita nyo that this is a live running trade from my long perspective na to. Okay? So again, I have executed a long trade in response, okay, dun sa aking initial analysis from my past video that I posted. So sabi ko dun that I was going to have a long potential trade dito sa ating Europound. And right now, nag-materialize yon. So take note, I have executed 2 trades dito. Okay, so nag-TP na ako sa unang first target ko. And yeah, so kung makikita nyo, again, this is how you end your week right. Okay? What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So again, this is just a continuation video in response to my recently posted video with regards to Europound long trade opportunity. Okay, so ipapakita ko dito sa inyo guys how powerful market structure, price action, and other confluences in relation to our TFP warrior system. But do take note that there is more than this TFP warrior system. That is why I encourage everyone, okay, that if you want to become serious on your trading journey and you want to learn more in-depth knowledge when it comes to trading, you may want to try our 90-day VIP mentorship program and join our TFP VIP Champions growing community. Alright? So I will just show you how my students perform, okay, in our Discord community, just to be transparent. But nevertheless, I'm not going to show you their technical analysis, but this is me showing you that they are real people, okay? Hindi yan basta sila nag-join and then mag-aabang na lang ng mga mag-aabang na lang ng mga signals and kokopya na lang sa akin ng trade. No, they themselves do the actual trading, and actually they themselves do the actual technical analysis because that is what they learned from me. Okay, yun yung importante, learning, at hindi ko ginagawang tamad yung mga estudyante ko at susunod lang kung ano sinabi ko. They know what they're doing because they understand the system. Okay, yun yung importante when it comes to learning. So again, I will show you yung ating Discord community, just a brief overview on how they perform dun sa ating mentorship program. Right, so this is our Discord community, and kung makikita nyo guys, I will just read some few posts dito, and of course, what they say about their technical analysis and how they really perform well dun sa ating system. Okay, so hello po. Okay, one of our student, VIP student, hello po. Few more minutes to hit my target profit. Okay, have a good day and trade everyone. Okay, so again, another one, sharing GBP USD update, TP hit ng mga idol. Okay, bumalik pa nga sa entry point, haha. Alright, so that is coming from one of my VIP student. So again, this technical section, okay, technical analysis section ng ating Discord is just giving you more continuous learning perspective, no? Hindi lang yan basta magbabato ako dyan and then susundan lang nila. So I don't want my students to become like lazy and mag-aabang lang. That is not what true learning is. Okay, tandaan nyo, the reason kayo mag-enroll sa akin is you want to become independent in a sense na you know what you're doing at ina-apply mo yung tinuro ko. Yun yung importante. Hindi ko ginagawang mga networking agents ng mga estudyante ko na mag-invite kayo this and that. No, okay? The true purpose of the mentorship and this community is for you to become, okay, a champion trader. Okay? So again, some of the technical analysis, and tandaan nyo guys, this is them, real people, okay? Hindi yan yung mga blind followers lang na nag-join lang sa group and then nag-aabang lang ng mga signals. No. I don't make my students stupid, and don't make my students lazy, okay? So again, let's just read some comments and some other posts from them, okay? Doing their own technical analysis, okay? So sabi dito ni Sir, okay, I will not mention the name. So TFP champion lang malakas, okay? Thank you for the compliment and thank you for the appreciation, no? So, mabuti alam na natin about SM and BM. Basta always 90% waiting and 10% execution, mga ka-champion. Okay? So, again, they are now being patient and improve. Okay? Lalo na yung kanilang discipline when it comes to their technical analysis. Yung importante, di ba? That is what true learning is it's all about. Okay? So, ano pa? Okay? So, again, take note, ina-apply din pala to ng mga estudyante ko saan? Sa cryptocurrency. So, marami akong students na nag-trade din ng crypto. And for some people, okay, it worked for them. And of course, some other people na sa stocks and also particularly, of course, forex and other precious metals. Okay? So again, gold update, nag-materialize yung setup last May 31, 24. It's been 7 days bago na-hit yung SM2H. Before that, na-hit din muna yung BM4H prior mag-react sa SM2H. And what happened was bumalik yung price sa BM as per plan. Okay? So meaning, they know what they're doing. Okay? They understand ano yung nature na ng price and how the market moves in a certain sequence. Okay? That is what true learning is all about, sabi ko nga guys. So, yeah. This is just me sharing you. Okay? So again, I was so happy because nakita ko how the students interact with each other and they're changing like certain concepts na they're changing messages, okay, or comments from this section na again, they're really discussing about their trades. So me also, I'm just sharing also my trades dito and how it materialized. So makita nyo, may mga comments dito on my setup para mas maintindihan ng mga estudyante. So sabi ko nga guys, hindi ko ginagawang tamad yung mga estudyante but rather making them more increasing their yung IQ nila sa pag-analyze. Okay? So, yeah. So, kung makita nyo, there are some results for cryptocurrency trades applying my system. Okay? So, yeah. Alright. So, again, another profit for them. So, again, this is not to brag, no? But this is just showing you how my students perform. Okay, dito sa ating. So, again, update, TP Heat, Yi. Alright. So, thank you, guys. Okay. So, ano pa? Okay, let's just read some, okay. So, Coach, grabe, thanks. Kay GBPSD na ang forever ko, okay. So, big shout out to her, okay. So, babae yon if you're asking, okay. So, again, walang pinipiling gender at walang pinipiling, walang pinipiling age itong pag-trade, okay. Yun yung importante, naiintindihan nila yung ginagawa nila before executing, okay. So, again, that is, sabi ko nga, what mentorship is all about. Me providing you particular skill, knowledge na pwede nyo improve along the way na dadalhin nyo habang buhay. Okay? So, para hindi na kayo scam, di ba? So, again, without further ado, no? So, again, I will share with you two sets or two sections ng aking video na to, showing you yung before and after. So, before, ng Europound, I will show you a clip from my past recent video. Okay? Kung hindi nyo matandaan, ito yung video na yun. Okay? Or kung saan man. Okay? That, sabi ko dyan, I will be having a potential long update trade dito sa ating Europound. And right now, it already materialized at nahit pa yung TP1 ko. So again, another trade for me, running pa naman yan. So, let's see. Okay? So, importante is matutunan nyo ano yung ginagawa ko. And this is just a glimpse of how powerful market structure and price action, sabi ko nga, di ba guys? So, again, hindi nagtatapos doon. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get straight to our video. Tandaan nyo, hindi pa nangyayari yung correction. Hindi pa nangyayari, wala pa akong point na pwedeng i-connect dito sa sa trendline support. So, ibig sabihin yan, it is not wise na bumili pa. So, we're just mapping out yung mga potential moves na pwedeng kapag nagkaroon tayo ng correction, okay, mag-bounce dito, okay, so pwede ko nang i-connect yan, and pag nabasag tong trend resistance, yan yung gusto natin. This would be our buy HPT as a setup. Okay, di ba? So, kaya sinasabi ko na potential buy setup to dahil nga nag-exhibit na yung mga clues one by one. So, una pa lang yung counter trend resistance and I would have to wait and be patient na mag-materialize tong setup. And potentially, tandaan nyo rin, pwede rin tong area na to once mag-bounce dito yung market. Tandaan nyo, variable pa tong trend support kasi hindi pa nangyayari yung correction or yung pullback, di ba? So again, anything can happen sa market, but I'm giving you ideas that this is one way how you should trade to map out all the potential move na market based on your rules. Okay? But then again, what I'm showing you here is an idea on how you should trade as a long setup. Okay? Okay, so I guess sana may natutunan kayo guys, and I hope it provide you more ideas on how you can improve your trading through this live trade update no from my recordings. And pinapakita ko sa inyo na everything is learnable. Okay, kaya nyo yan guys, and you can learn all of this basic concepts from my past videos. You must have to watch all my videos, definitely. Okay, so malaking tulong na yun guys to support this channel. But then again, hindi ako nagmamakawa sa inyo na mag-subscribe kayo or just watch the videos for your own benefit, di ba? Para matuto kayo, guys. So, but if you really appreciate this contents na pinoprovide ko and natututo kayo, guys, feel free to subscribe, okay? Share this video, comment, like, kung ano man, and share this to your loved ones or family or friends na gusto nyo ring matuto sila, okay? So again, thank you so much to all my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta. So again, God bless. See you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
So I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP champion student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.